Hey, so this is a video for deploying Hyperledger Fabric and development tools on Amazon EC2 micro instance Ubuntu OS. So I'll start off with launching a fresh instance. I'll pick up the free tier eligible Ubuntu 18.04 micro instance. I'll launch it, I'll connect it with a key. Waiting for it to start up. So while it starts up, there are two links. One is for deploying the prerequisites and the other one is for installing each of the tools. So these two links are a part of this document that I'll send you. This is the prerequisites link and this is the dev tools link. Start it up. I'll log in. Wait. So now I'm logged in. So from the prerequisites link, I'll pick up the curl command. This will download the prerequisites script. I'll change its permissions to make it executable. And then I'll execute it. It'll take some time. What it's doing is it's installing the Docker engine, the Docker Compose component, node, npm, get a version of Python. So while it's executing, let's take a look at the tools we'll install. So first we'll install the Composer Cli, then we'll install the Composer REST server. We'll not go into the generator, we'll not install EO, those are optional. And then we'll install the Composer Playground. I'm going to pause here just to allow it to finish. So now my prerequisite install is done. I just have to restart my instance. So I do that from the console. So now my reboot is done. I log back into my AWS. I'm going to install the tools. Make sure you have the latest in the URL. That's the one that I have here as well, which will give you the latest version of each tool. So first we will install Composer Cli. I'm going to pause and let it finish. Now I'm done with CLI. I'm going to install the Composer REST server tool. Again pausing it. So my REST server is installed. Now I'll pick up the playground install. Again pausing it. Now my playground is done. I'm going to install my core Hyperledger Fabric build. So first I create a folder and cd into it. Then I run the curl command to download the tarball, which is done. This tarball just has a set of scripts. Now I export a certain version of the Fabric instance that I want to run. Before that, let me untar it. I go back into my folder. I set up the Fabric version environment variable and then just run the script that downloads the Fabric as a Docker image. This is also going to take some time. Once the Docker image download is done, I can start my Fabric instance through a script which brings up my CA instance, my orderer, and my peer. Once that's done, I'll create an admin card and then start up my playground. So this tells me that my Fabric started up fine. I'll just run my admin card script, which succeeded. Now to run my playground, I'll use the screen command so that it runs in the background. I still have control. So I'll call it play. Let's test if it's running. So see, I see that it's running. Now I go back to my instance on the console, copy the instance address, before I access the instance from outside. I have to enable the ports through my inbound traffic. So my configuration is only for testing. Please do not use this one. It's a very insecure configuration. So once my ports are enabled, I'm able to see that I can log into my playground from 8080 port. So I get to see my admin card that I created, and I'm logged in, ready to deploy smart contracts. Thank you.